Meaning of hessian.
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 Hessian. The word hessian has multiple meanings, depending on the context. One possible meaning refers to a durable fabric made from jute or hemp fibers, commonly used for bags, rugs, and upholstery. Another possible meaning refers to a soldier in the service of the German auxiliary troops, also known as Hessians, during the American Revolution. Hessian may also refer to a mathematical term, the Hessian matrix, which is a square matrix of second-order partial derivatives. In summary, hessian can refer to a type of fabric, a type of historical soldier, or a mathematical concept.